Okay, so this says find all the solutions to this equation and express them in this form. When you see this form, you kind of can just say, all right, then I'm probably going to have to use the quadratic formula because I end up with complex solutions. So when I do that, I'm going to let a be 1, b be 4, and c be 0. So I get x equals negative b, negative 4 plus or minus the square root of 4 squared, which is 16, minus 4 times 1 times 6 all over 2 times 1. So now it's just a matter of simplifying that. So this is the square root of 16 minus 24 over 2. So this is negative 4 plus or minus the square root of negative 8 over 2. If I simplify this radical of 8, well, the negative is going to come out and give me an I. And what is the, well, they want it in terms of a plus bi. So it doesn't really matter. We can leave it as 4 plus or minus I root 8 because they want decimals. They accept decimals here. Okay, so it's just going to be, if I split this up, it's going to be negative 4 over 2 plus or minus I root 8 over 2. You could rewrite this. Root 8 is the same thing as 2 root 2, but it doesn't matter because we're just going to input the decimal anyway. So this says input the solution where b is less than 0 here first. So b is less than 0. b is the number with I. So they want the one that's less than 0 first. Well, this is positive. So remember, the other one's going to be negative 4 over 2 minus I root 8 over 2. This is the one that's less than 0. So this says the real number a is going to be negative 4 over 2. So that's where they get negative 2. The real number b, or the real part of this complex part, is just going to be negative square root of 8 over 2. So we pull this up. Wait for this to load. I get negative, oops, clear that out, negative square root of 8 divided by 2. That's where I get the negative 1.41421. And then where b is greater than 0, that's this guy. The numbers are going to be the same, except, so this will still be negative 2, except this will just be positive. Positive root 8 over 2 gives me that.